For me, creativity is not coming out from myself. It is coming out from the universe. And the universe is like a huge library and we're just reading and borrowing the books out.
Thinking outside of the norm or outside of the box and really approaching whatever task that is in front of you with a free mind and with a passion to do something new.
Having an image in your head and not really knowing what it is, but just having a need to express it.
Creativity can make the people have better life. I think creativity is the future of the world.
I'm not a garment designer, so a lot of things that we did during the residency, I didn't have the chance to do it before.
I love the Exotica workshop just because I love eyewear and it was a chance to really showcase my skills and what I want to do.
I like the talks very much, so you get knowledge and experience and information which you would not get elsewhere.
Sewing your shoes, working on sewing machines, she would think that I'm quite a natural on sewing machines, so it's like, okay, maybe I should get one.
And like they kind of like really opened my eyes on like different possibilities. How like we design or how we think about like sustainability or even even how we like present our work. Like even everyone like from the ITS team has been really helpful in like helping us like curate our presentation.
I think it's difficult to distill years of work into a short presentation, but I think I captured them and I think I sold myself well and showed them what I've got.
To be surrounded by these incredible people, I mean they've been part of the industry for so long and so they know what they're saying, they know what they're talking about.
I don't know if I have the best reaction from them, but what I feel now, I think I feel really, really grateful, very grateful to be here and everything.
It just feels like a very kind of like family.
I've never done anything like this before, and it's gone so much better than I could have ever imagined, and I really do think I've made friends for life, but as well the support is just insane. I didn't realize it was going to be like this at all. Like I'm like shocked.
Experience is very amazing for me for these 10 days. So it's very thanks its family.
Because it's not like this everywhere, that's for sure.